Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a TikTok video once it's been posted. So first, what you want to do is open up TikTok app. Once you have opened up your TikTok app, you want to go to your videos, and actually when you click on the three dots on the right menu, there is no button to edit anything or do whatever with that video for some reason. I don't know why they haven't edited, but they have not. So you basically click on the video, then you want to save that exact video, and once it's saved, you just post it again. So we go here and we post again, click on next, and then we add the text, the filters, the whatevers, etc, etc, and that's it. Hopefully TikTok will add a feature where you can actually edit your video without needing of posting it again, but that's it. Thank you for watching this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe.